Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. I did something yesterday. I built two ramps, one for the kids, one for myself. And what I'm gonna try, me being not a pro rider, me being a beginner rider, I've been one wheeling only for over a month. I tried both XR and Pint X, and what I'm gonna try to do today is actually jumping over ramps. Let me just gear up and I'll see you outside. Not bad for XR. Let's try Pine X. We'll see what's gonna happen. Which board is better for jumping ramps? I don't know. Both of them are good. Both of them perform fine. Both of them needs to be driven and tried. In my personal opinion, there is no really preferences. One's a little bit heavier and more stable when you land in. The other one is a little bit more tippier and more curvier while you're riding it and while you jump in it. But in the end of the day, all you have to think is just have fun. Just have fun, just do jumps, try, fall, get up, and move on to the next one. Try something else. But I like both. Enjoy your boards and have fun. Bye.